So now let's see how we can utilize the bucket fill tool inside of GIMP. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to take a paintbrush and let me just choose a regular brush right here and start painting out right here, just like this. So I got this spot and I got this spot right here. I got this spot, as you can see. And now let's say what I want to do is I want to replace this out with other colors. In that case, I can utilize the bucket fill tool right here. So now I can go around and choose foreground color, let's say for example, and I'm going to choose something like red and click, and you can see that the bucket fills out right here. So if I were to go around over here and zoom in, you can see that it does not actually fill out the edges. That is because it does not actually work around with uneven colors. It only works around with flat colors. For example, if I were to click here, you can see that it fills out everything right here, but it does not fill out the faded areas. Similarly, same goes over here as well. So that is what the bucket fill tool does. If I were to go around onto busy color fill, then it'll fill it out with white, as you can see right here. That is the background color. So that is what you can do. You can go around, fill it with foreground color or background color. Or you can also go around and choose a pattern and fill it out with a pattern color, as you can see right here. And whatever you choose is actually what you have right here. So if I were to go around now further, fill won't be so smooth. That is because in pattern there are uneven colors right here. If I were to go around and fill the whole selected section, then everything will be filled, as you can see. All the selections will be filled right here. Or you can fill similar colors as well, and as you go around, you can see that similar color is filled out. You can also fill by line art detection right here, just like this as well. So you can also go around and feather out the edges over here as well, just like this. So now if I were to go around and select out different selection, like fill select a similar color, so you can go around, fill out the transparent areas and then diagonal neighbors as well, then you got a different color selection, as you can see right here, and it fills it up more right here, just like this, as you click on individual elements. So that is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can utilize the fill color tool, that is the bucket fill tool, in order to fill out the entire section of the colors inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.